So it is undergoing reduction. Yes, what it undergoes? Reduction. What do you mean by reduction? Can you please tell me? Reduction is nothing but gaining of electrons and protons. Gaining of the electrons. Don't forget. So what do you mean by reduction? Please see here. Gaining of the electrons and protons. In simple way, we will just call it as grrr. Right. Gaining of the electrons is called as reduction. Someone should lose it so that this bisphosphoglyceric acid will gain. So here comes ready to lose electrons. It's nothing but another product of the light reaction, which is NADPH. For this 12 molecules to contribute the electrons, 12 NADPH has come into this scenario where this NADPH is undergoing oxidation. Yes, this is undergoing oxidation, this is undergoing reduction. So let's say after undergoing oxidation, it's going to release electrons, it's going to release protons. So now this 12 NADPH is going to become 12 molecules of NADP+. So these electrons and these protons, which are contributed by the 12 molecules of NADPH, will gain, and then the acid is going to become 12 molecules of aldehyde. I hope you are understanding this point. The acid on reduction, it is undergoing aldehyde. Right? This is a very confusing step, I know that. Along with that, simultaneously, the phosphate is going to be removed. Yes, the phosphate is going to be removed from the first position. So, from the first position, from 12 molecules, what is going to be removed? 12 molecules of inorganic phosphate is going to be removed. So, which is going to become 12 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. In simple term, I'm just going to call it as 3-pagal, 3 idiots. Yes, 12 molecules of 3-carbon compound. Can you just multiply 12 into 3 carbon? Totally, how many carbons are there? 36 carbons are there. Right? I'll make it very simple. From this 12 molecules, I'm just going to ask for the depth. I'm going to remove 12 molecules. From 12 molecules, I'm going to remove 2 molecules of 3-carbon compound. 2 into 3, 6-carbon compound. And this 6-carbon compound is nothing but 1 glucose molecule. I hope you're understanding this point. From 12 molecules of 3-carbon compound, of 3-pagal, of 3 idiots, we are just asking depth for how many molecules? 2 molecules, which in turn is synthesizing the glucose molecule. Yes, 1 glucose is going to be synthesized here. Yes, totally 12 minus 2. What is left over is there are 10 molecules of 3-pagal, 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, which is 3-carbon compound, is left over. 10 into 3, 30 carbons are there, where this 30 carbons need to undergo regeneration. So in the upcoming shot, I'm just going to show you the regeneration. If this is very clear for you, I hope you understand this concept. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe channel to just support the mission. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, Neat Botany Sucharita.